Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to trade futures on Binance like a pro. If you're new to futures trading or just looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. First things first, create a Binance account if you haven't already. Once that's done, you'll need to enable futures trading. This involves completing identity verification and setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. Next, head over to the Futures tab on the Binance platform. You'll need to deposit funds into your futures wallet. Binance supports USDT, BUSD, and several other coins for this. Choose whichever you're comfortable with. Now you'll have two main options, USDSM futures or CoinM futures. The former uses USDT while the latter uses cryptocurrency. Pick the one that suits your trading style. Once you've made your choice, select a contract and decide on the leverage amount. This can range from 1x to a whopping 125x. Higher leverage means higher risk, so tread carefully. Now it's decision time. Are you going long, meaning you think the price will go up? Or are you going short, betting that the price will drop? Make your move based on your market analysis. One crucial tip: always use stop-loss orders. Futures trading is highly leveraged and can lead to significant gains, but also substantial losses. A stop-loss order helps you manage risk and protect your investment. That's it. You're now ready to trade futures on Binance like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect and always do your research.